Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here with a kit for you today. I'm really excited. I have two kits coming up. This is the first of two, and this one I am calling my Shabby Chic June Bride kit, and I'm very excited about it. It is a heart-shaped wall hanging kit, and I have made the heart for you. The back is white bridal silk, and the top is this beautiful fabric. I love this fabric. It's got lovely texture on it. I think it's so shabby and so pretty with the flowers. I absolutely love it. And it's a nice size heart. You can see there's both of my hands. It's beautiful. I love it. So that is the base for your wall hanging. And in the kit, you're going to get some really cool stuff. So first of all, I am supplying you with an image, a fabric image of this beautiful lady. Isn't she gorgeous? So she can go right in the center if you like, or off to the side. I mean, even if you wanted to, you could trace this heart, put another piece of fabric on the back and stuff it, and you would have a pillow, which would be nice. And then you could put her over here, in the middle, over here, however you want to have her on there, you will get her. There's also some white ribbon roses that will be in your kit. Gorgeous piece of bling dangle with the pearl and the beautiful drop pearl here at the bottom. It's one of my favorite bling pieces. So you're going to get that. And then onto the laces and trims. Of course, there is bridal trim, but I will get to that in a minute. Let's start over here. There's going to be two of these really pretty heart appliques, two doilies. There is two large flowers and two small flowers, and what I like to do with this trim is take these small ones and stack them on top, and you could probably fit one of these little ribbon roses on top of that. So take this flower, cut it out, put this one on top, and then put the ribbon rose on top, and that would look super pretty. So there's that. There is a nice length of beautiful white pearl dangle trim. And there is some gorgeous laces in this kit. This is the first one. This is an off-white, just for a little bit of contrast. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous trim. I love this one. It's a beautiful embroidered trim, very French looking. I hope that the camera will pick that up. It's got some beautiful embroidered flowers on there. Really pretty, nice big piece of that. I think there's probably 3/4 of a yard of that one. And then there's some of this beautiful silvery white bullion fringe. A nice length of that, which you can put underneath your image. And then this trim I love. I'm going to lay this one down for you guys. I think that's the right way. It has all this netting on the top here, which you can use for flowers or anything. And then on the bottom, it has these three beautiful embroidered pieces. And then look at the dangles on the bottom. Absolutely gorgeous dangles on the bottom. So pretty. I love that. And then, last but not least, one of my all-time favorite laces, which is the peacock lace. Now, this lace you can cut in two. So you take the first piece and cut it. You can see here at the top, there's a trim right there. So you can cut that, and then at the bottom, you have the second trim. So you can make two trims out of this one. Or you can keep it the way it is. It's up to you. But you get more out of it if you cut it. But I think, you know, you can use it either way. It's up to you because it's your wall hanging. And then onto the beautiful, gorgeous bridal trims. So each kit's going to get a nice big piece. Now these may be ever so slightly different in your kit, but you will get these pieces like this size at least. So each kit will be comparable. So there's this piece, and these are all beaded with the pearls and sequins. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll do these ones in a second. Then there's these two, which I love, with the pearls and sequins. Super pretty. There's one of these, and you can cut this out. You can take the piece off the back if you want to unpick it. I would do that. I did not want to do that with every kit, but there it is. But you can cut the flower out, you can cut the leaves out, you can cut this piece off the bottom. There's a flower at the top. Like, there's a lot you can do with that piece. There is a big piece with two gorgeous embroidered roses on it, and then this piece on the bottom. Super pretty. And then there's a nice big rose piece with the two scallops on either side. And then last but not least, there's four little hearts. These are pearl hearts on a silver trim, and you can cut those individually. And then what is a wedding without something blue? So I have added some very, very pale blue, and I'll compare it on the white heart here for you so you can see they're very pale blue. But these are from a vintage wedding dress that a friend and I split about 2 years ago, and there were so many appliques on it that I wanted to include it because they're just so pretty. Look at the pearls on this. And there you can see against the white how pale that blue is. So I thought for a contrast with the kit, it would just be really nice. So there's a small, medium, and large piece. That's the medium piece. So I'll leave that in the middle here. And then this is the large piece. And then that is the small piece. So these are the three blue vintage wedding dress appliques that you would be receiving in your kit as well. So there's a lot here for you guys. I know you're going to love it. And of course, don't forget you get the free fabric image. All these goodies, bling, appliques, vintage bridal trims, all yours if you want this kit. The kit is $25, and you can contact me through my email, which is in the description box down below, or you can leave a comment on this video. That's up to you. You can do it either way. It's $25 plus shipping, and I have 4 of these, so let me know what you're wanting, and just contact me and let me know. And I will be back with my second kit very shortly. Take care, guys. Bye.